Hi there everyone, it's Lynnea for LDRS Creative. I'm going to be making a simple and classy card today. I'm using a couple of new products. I have the Bursting Bouquet Stencil and the Sophie Alpha lowercase die set. Other than inks, that's all I'm going to be using today. It's a really simple card, but I think it really packs a punch and you can customize it for virtually anything. So I'm taking that Bursting Bouquet stencil and spraying the back with some temporary adhesive. Then I'm going to place this over a piece of heavy white cardstock. Once that's adhered, I'm going to use a brayer just to really push that onto the stencil. This Bursting Bouquet stencil is gorgeous and there are a lot of fine lines that I don't want to shift. And I happen to be a pretty heavy-handed blender. I don't think I've ever blended a light and airy background in my life, and so I have a habit of pushing little lines away. So I have found that a brayer to really adhere the stencil onto the cardstock has been a lifesaver for me. I'm taking some LDRS Creative Raven Hybrid ink and covering the background of this Bursting Bouquet stencil. When I remove this, check this out. Doesn't that just look so classy? I love black and white background pattern paper, and so using black ink over a stencil is a great way to completely customize your own pattern paper. Now I have the Sophie Alpha lowercase die set, and I'm going to spell out some words here. I chose to cut out the words love you, but you can use any sentiment that you want. I'm going to take some ink and blend onto the bottom of these letters. I cut from light yellow cardstock and they just weren't standing out enough for me. So I tried a couple of inks. I tried Dandelion, I tried Tangerine Dream, and in the end, I ended up going with In Your Face Orange. And I'm just blending right at the bottom of these letters to kind of give them a gradient look. I love the way they turned out, and this yellow and orange combination on the black background is really stunning. I'm going to take these and I'm going to line them up on my stenciled card front, and I decided to pop them up with foam. They just stand out a little bit better that way, and they create some shadows when they're up on foam. So I took little pieces of foam and tediously cut them down, and I love the way it looks in the end. I decided to add a little bit of some bling and some embellishments, so I'm taking some clear gems and just using my liquid adhesive to tuck them around the sentiment. When I do gems, I like to do an odd number, and I like to kind of tuck them underneath the sentiment, and I just think that makes it pull everything together. So that's it. This is my simple card. I love the way it looks. I hope that you will give using your Raven Hybrid ink with your stencils to create your own black and white pattern paper a try. All of the LDRS Creative products that I used in today's card are linked and listed below in the video description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye. Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now, and here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.